Hello guys, welcome back to Strokes and Shade. And today we're going to make a realistic eye sketch. So let's get started. First of all, you can take a screenshot of the materials I used. Now, we'll start with the outline. I'll attach the reference picture so you can take a screenshot, pause it, and easily draw it. You can use either freehand or the grid method, whatever you're comfortable with. Let's begin with the eyebrows. I'm using a hard charcoal pencil and giving quick strokes. Start with light pressure, then medium, and finish again with light pressure. The front part of the eyebrows is usually lighter, so I started that area with hard charcoal. For the rest of the eyebrow, we'll build it using soft charcoal because it needs more depth. After the arch, give strokes in a side direction to define the shape. Take your time. Drawing eyebrow hair needs patience. This part is sped up. Now take a flat brush and gently smudge it. Don't apply too much pressure. Next, rub a soft charcoal stick on sandpaper to get charcoal powder. Pick it up using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, dust off the excess, and now start giving a light tone to the skin. Wherever there are darker areas, blend in circular motion. Again, take the hard charcoal pencil and define the eyebrow hairs. You can also draw a few hairs going outward for a natural look. Now using a makeup brush, softly blend the area below the eyebrows without using charcoal powder. Repeat the same process on the other side, so I'm speeding it up. Now use a fluffy brush to add a bit more depth to the skin. Take a pencil eraser and create some gaps in the eyebrows. Use straight strokes for realism. I had already drawn one eye, but the camera wasn't recording. So now I'll show the same process on the other eye. Use a fluffy brush to create shadows. Then, make charcoal powder using sandpaper and define the eyelid with a flat brush. And wherever there is shadow, blend it in circular motion without taking extra powder. If needed, You can use a bit more charcoal powder for depth. Now use a hard charcoal pencil to make the eyelid more prominent. Define the lash line with a soft charcoal pencil and draw the eyeliner by observing the reference. Use a hard charcoal pencil to define the waterline with almost zero pressure. For the lower lashes, draw a light guideline first. Using a makeup brush, add a slight grey tone to the white part of the eye. Because the white of the eye is not actually pure white. Now define the tear duct using hard charcoal. Draw the iris using soft charcoal. Leave the highlight area untouched and make the pupil deep dark. Define the outline of the iris. Then add inward and outward lines inside it. Lightly blend it with a flat brush. And enhance the same lines again. Use a pencil eraser to define highlights and create some texture. Now, using a soft charcoal pencil, we'll draw the eyelashes. Draw each lash one by one and keep the ending in an outward direction. Again, follow light-medium light pressure. Not every lash needs to match. Just keep it natural. Outer lashes will be longer, middle ones medium, and inner ones shorter. use a flat brush to add shading below the eye. And with charcoal powder, lightly define the nose and cheeks. Wherever there is shadow, build depth using charcoal powder. Use a blending tool to define the under eye lines and softly blend them. Now draw the lower lashes using hard charcoal. These will go slightly downward. Enhance the highlights using a pencil eraser. Blend the darker areas in circular motion using a flat brush. And use the eraser to create skin texture. Finally, add extreme highlights using a white highlighting pen, so they really pop. And most importantly, don't forget to add your signature. And yay! We completed our sketch. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. What was your favorite part?